Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra can't receive text messages. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all check your signals. So if your signals are weak, then it can affect your messages, conversations. So if your messages are not good, then call your service provider. And then if you are still facing the problem after good signals, then the second solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and from here tap on this power icon and then click on restart. Now click on this restart icon to restart your phone. So restarting your phone can fix small issues in your mobile software. And after restarting, if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is open settings again. Scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then click on reset option again. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after all these solutions, I hope it will fix your problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.